In this captivating video, a bold gang of thieves stages a daring nighttime heist at a jewelry store. With swift precision, they forcefully try to break in, displaying an unwavering determination to steal all the precious gems and valuables. The question of whether they will succeed or if fate will intervene adds to the suspense. The footage captures a moment where one of the masked men expresses concern about the limited time available, leading to the thieves ultimately abandoning their mission. Fortunately, their plans are foiled by the blaring alarms within the jewelry store, preventing any successful theft. Get ready for a jolting experience as we explore this unsettling footage, documenting a distressing encounter with an heavily intoxicated individual during the night. In this clip, we bear witness to the alarming moment when the disoriented person stumbles upon a residence and attempts to forcefully enter. The tension escalates as the safety of the homeowner hangs in the balance, facing a potential threat to their well-being.
Racket! Let's go. Let's get riding, dude. Come on. Racket! 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 Let's go. Do it, dude. Come on, look.
In this puzzling incident, we observe a woman seeking assistance at an unusual hour. However, her speech is unclear, leaving us wondering about her true intentions. Is she genuinely in need of help, or could external factors be influencing her behavior? The mystery unfolds as we try to make sense of the situation.
I need help.
You at the wrong house.
I need help. I need help.
You are at the...
Please. I'm not gonna harm you.
You are at the... You at the wrong house.
No, listen. My brother-in-law owns the lot beside you. I need help.
What you need?
My brother-in-law owns the lot beside you. I need help right now. Please help me. Please help me.
Call 911.
No, I can't call the law, dude. I need help. Please. My brother-in-law owns a lot to the right inside of you. Please help me.
What you need help with? What you need help with?
I need help getting a man out of my car, man. My brother-in-law owes the right to your... I need help, man. I need help. I never ring your bell.
I can't help you.
I want to go to the law, man. I want to go to the law. I want to go to the law. I need help. My brother-in-law is Robert Brazen.
Hey, look.
Yeah, look to the right.
Look, get the off my porch.
I'm sorry. You want me to get off
Yes,
the property?
ma'am.
In this riveting doorbell camera clip filmed in broad daylight, we are privy to a startling moment when two individuals daringly open the trunk of a random car. However, their audacious act swiftly meets a harsh consequence as the car alarm blares, causing them to hastily retreat. This serves as a stark reminder that even in the safety of daylight, we must stay vigilant and safeguard our belongings. In this next clip, we witness a speeding car approaching a sharp curve, but tragically losing control and crashing into a parked car with a thunderous impact. This shocking incident serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of caution and responsible driving, especially at night. Stay vigilant on the roads to ensure everyone's safety. In this astonishing clip, a persistent solicitor fearlessly approaches a homeowner's door, seemingly disregarding the clear warning sign against solicitation. As tension mounts, we witness the solicitor's relentless efforts to engage the homeowner, despite the unmistakable message displayed before their eyes. The question lingers: will the homeowner succumb to the solicitor's charm or firmly stand their ground, enforcing their boundaries? The outcome remains uncertain, making this encounter truly intriguing.
What's going on? Can I help you?
Yeah, hey, what's up, man? I just work with Vivint. They got me out here running to promote. You know what Vivint is, right?
No.
Not too.
I don't know.
We just do like the security stuff. Just swinging by about the Brinks. Was that something that you guys had put in?
Yeah, we have Brinks.
Cool. I just work with all the proactive neighbors out here, like yourself. Mr. Paul, 2 houses down, is the little orange yard signs. We've just found that a lot of the homes out here like updating to some of the smart home stuff. That's just what I do. I just set up like more of the video surveillance and like some smart home. You guys keep the same security. Well, you guys still will have all the security. We just kind of upgrade you.
To be honest, man, I don't like people knocking on my door. And I think my signs on my front door that say no solicitors should keep most people away. And what doesn't, the Bring signs probably keep the rest of everybody else away. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, and it's super good to have this kind of stuff. We've just realized that a lot of the neighbors, like with the Ring cameras like yourself, they like the idea of having a second pair of eyes to go somewhere else around the home for it.
But you get what I'm saying, though? Like, I have literally a sign on my front door that says no solicitors. So.
Yeah, just stop them, man, to see if we could help you.
Yeah, well, I think if I needed help, I would call you guys, dude. You're literally soliciting me, which...
Yeah, you can always call me that. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Hope you have a good one.
In this compelling footage, we observe a bold porch pirate attempting to steal parcels from a house. Unbeknownst to the thief, the homeowner is one step ahead, catching him red-handed in the act. What follows is a courageous confrontation as the homeowner stands up to protect their property. The gripping question remains, will justice prevail, or will the thief manage to escape? Tune in to find out.
I looked at earlier and I just wanted to make sure that you're
have any like documentation that you got to yet?
In this suspenseful clip, we are on the edge of our seats as a police officer cautiously approaches a house to gather information about a suspected hiding suspect nearby. The homeowner, with access to her backyard CCTV footage, makes a shocking discovery. The screen displays a chilling sight, a lurking figure concealed amidst the garbage bins behind her house. The question arises, do I need to be afraid? In this intriguing clip, we observe a mysterious woman and a man arriving at a house door during the late hours of the night. Their purpose remains shrouded in mystery, leaving us pondering what they want from this unsuspecting homeowner. The suspense builds as we eagerly await further developments in this enigmatic situation.
I'll pay your bill. And they got very tied to the door. Oh, you're right, Mom.
Yes, hello?
Hi. We were thinking about renting your place. We didn't know if it was available or not.
In this adrenaline-pumping incident, the homeowner receives a late-night notification on her phone about an intruder in her backyard. Fueled by curiosity and determination, she bravely confronts the trespasser head-on, fully prepared to defend her property. What follows is a testament to her courage and quick thinking, creating a captivating tale of bravery in the face of danger.
Okay.
Be enthralled by this gripping footage, unveiling a startling act of theft shrouded in darkness. In this clip, a mysterious figure creeps towards a parked car, resembling a night shadow in motion. With agile and calculated moves, the individual seizes an air compressor that rightfully belongs to someone else. The motive behind this audacious act remains a puzzle. Is it fueled by the allure of forbidden deeds or driven by a desperate necessity? In this unsettling video, an unidentified man with a concealed face and foreboding glasses subjects a house to a relentless onslaught of violent blows, shattering all its windows. This enigmatic figure prompts us to ponder over his identity and the hidden motives driving his destructive actions. Prepare to witness a series of alarming events in this gripping clip. As the footage unravels, we observe a man audaciously targeting random houses, exploiting unattended packages left outside. With a calculated and swift demeanor, he brazenly snatches the parcels, making off with stolen goods right from the doorsteps of unsuspecting homeowners. In this disquieting clip, we observe a man transfixed by a door, his intense gaze sending shivers down your spine. The enigmatic presence of this individual raises intriguing questions about their identity and the ominous secrets that may lie within. In this intriguing clip, we find ourselves in a perplexing scene where law enforcement officers encounter a mysterious woman lingering on the front porch of a stranger's house. Approaching with caution, they are filled with questions about her intentions and the reason for her presence.
Yeah. What's your name? Kathy what? Okay. Why are you on some random person's porch? You have a warrant for your arrest? What's your warrant for?
In this upcoming clip, a woman is spotted approaching a random house at approximately 2 a.m. Shockingly, she proceeds to urinate and excrete in front of the unsuspecting homeowner's residence. Such behavior is undeniably distasteful and disrespectful to social values. What would you have done in a situation like this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to know what you think about this bizarre incident. In this heart-pounding morning footage, we witness a daring attempt to breach a home's security. As the sun rises, audacious intruders make their move, unaware that they are closely monitored by a vigilant Ring doorbell camera. With the homeowner away, the suspects boldly approach the property, driven by unknown motives. Their audacious efforts to gain unauthorized access are meticulously captured in high-definition clarity, while the homeowner, miles away at work, witnesses the unfolding drama in real time. Fortunately, the suspects fail to enter the premises, prompting them to leave. However, the story doesn't end there. With the Ring doorbell as their ultimate ally, the homeowner springs into action, contacting the authorities to expose the nefarious plot. A high-stakes conversation between the homeowner and the responding police ensues, emphasizing the determination to bring these criminals to justice. The power of technology and quick action prove pivotal in thwarting the attempted intrusion and ensuring the safety of the home.
Hello, officer. Hi there. I'm in my office, but I'm able to talk to you through the Ring doorbell.
Are you able to make it here to the house? You have the 2 kids in custody.
You do? Be you? Oh my God, I love the Ring doorbell. Yes, I just got a call from the station. They asked me to come home, so I'm going to head there now. It takes probably about 20 minutes. I'm at the airport.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
In this jaw-dropping clip, a brazen act of theft is caught on a doorbell camera. Under the cover of darkness, a random individual seizes the opportunity to approach a parked motorcycle and swiftly makes off with it. The audacity of this act serves as a stark reminder to stay vigilant and take necessary precautions to safeguard our belongings. In this unsettling clip, we witness a teenager innocently riding his bicycle, unaware of the impending danger lurking nearby. Shockingly, he becomes the victim of a heartless act of robbery, stripped of his Adidas shoes. This incident raises important questions about the state of our society and the values we hold dear. Let us come together to reflect on these troubling events and strive towards creating a safer and more compassionate world for everyone. Prepare for a mysterious encounter in this next clip. Watch as a woman wearing a Christmas hat approaches a doorbell camera, knocking and gazing intently into it. The homeowner is left puzzled, as they have no knowledge of who this lady is or what her intentions might be. It's a reminder that our doorbell cameras can capture unexpected moments, leaving us with unanswered questions and a sense of intrigue. Stay curious and vigilant, as you never know what surprises might come your way. In this puzzling clip, a seemingly random man approaches the house in broad daylight and knocks on the front door. The suspense builds as we wonder about the man's intent. What could he possibly want from this unsuspecting homeowner? Is he seeking help, or could there be a more sinister motive behind his actions? The enigma deepens, leaving us curious to discover the truth.
Hey, may I speak to you all for 30 seconds?
No. Go ahead and talk.
Prepare to be enthralled by a gripping tale of darkness and menace as we delve into a chilling incident. In this unsettling clip, we witness a man whose actions defy rationality and kindness. With a malevolent gleam in his eyes, he sets a sinister fire beneath his neighbor's home, unleashing fear and chaos. Disturbingly, this is not an isolated event, as whispers among the neighbors suggest a pattern of malevolence, including disabling security cameras and defacing walls. Brace yourself for a journey into the terrifying world of this relentless tormentor and the weeks of terror endured by the apartment building's residents. The unraveling of this sinister saga will keep you on the edge of your seat. In this upcoming clip, we observe a man engaging in a theft. However, the burning question remains: does he successfully abscond with his coveted target?
What you doing? What are you doing? Loretta, I just caught somebody trying to break at it was at my door, bro.
In this disconcerting clip, an unknown man approaches an innocent family's home with dubious intentions. Posing as someone in distress, he claims to be handcuffed and seeks help. However, the vigilant woman inside the house senses something awry and decides against opening the door, intuitively suspecting the true motives of the individual.
Hello? Can you please help me? Can you please help me?
No, you need to leave.
What, man? Can you please help?
In this intriguing clip, we observe an audacious act of theft as a random woman tries to abscond with decorations that aren't hers. However, the home security system's swift response triggers a loud alarm, catching the would-be thief off guard. Startled by the unexpected turn of events, she hastily abandons her ill-gotten gains and flees the scene, leaving behind a trail of unanswered questions. In this peculiar incident, tensions escalate when a downstairs neighbor confronts their upstairs neighbor over excessive noise. As the conversation unfolds, an unexpected twist takes the situation to a whole new level. Share your thoughts on this intriguing scenario in the comments below.
Hello. Hey, I have a really nice question to ask you guys. I'm downstairs with my neighbor. We're trying to visit all morning long. All we're hearing is... Can we keep it quiet? Yeah, please.
Later on, the same lady returns to complain about the noise once again, but this time, her attitude is entirely different, adding further intrigue to the unfolding events.
Yeah, the call sounds funny. Listen, if you want us to call the cops and report you for noise ordinance, this goes on 24/7.
I have a toddler. You can call the police all you like, because you guys stay on my field. Or go ahead and tell the police that we can report right back. I have a... Call the cops. Go ahead, go call the cops.
24/7.
You don't like it, buy a house. Perfect, yeah.
Get ready for an entertaining journey into the world of YouTuber Miguel Santiago, 389. In this intriguing clip, we step onto a front porch where a determined salesman is on a mission to pitch his product. As the tension escalates, Miguel becomes the unwavering gatekeeper of his domain. The question arises, will he succumb to the persuasive charm of the salesman? Or will he resist the temptation and keep his porch free from solicitors' intrusion? The answer awaits, making this encounter a captivating watch.
After getting so many solicitors coming to our door here in Central Florida, I decided to put the sticker up. But this sticker didn't stop this person from trying to sell me something. I gotta give him credit. He did his best. Hi, who's that? Hello?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, real quick, I just want to stop by, we're going to reach out here, with regards to the safety guys. We had a big girlfriend sending everybody down for about half hour. Mainly everybody just wanted to fire now. And then I did want to fire them.
Did you read that note on the door?
I was going to give you guys a 50% discount if you did that, not $50 off.
You understand that if I come and answer the door, you're going to have to pay the $50 for just answering the door. Read that note right there on the door. What does that note say?
I get $50 per minute, so I was going to try to tell you guys really quick and then take $50 off total. That way I'd be basically giving you $50.
Yeah, but did you read that note on the door, that sticker? What does it say?
Yeah, so I'm gonna tell you guys super quick. You can get all
So if I stop what I'm doing and answer the door, you're gonna have to give me a free service because, or $50 in cash.
$50 off, so I'll make it $50 cheaper.
No, it's gonna have to be free.
I'll do that for free.
You don't understand what that sticker says.
Alright, you guys just change your mind. You want the bus train service in neighbor. My truck will be here tomorrow. Just grab one of them. We call Ruse.
There's, at the entrance to the subdivision, there's a big sign there that says No-Soliciting. Did you read that note? That a sign? That sign is put there for a reason. No-Soliciting.
Yeah, so we do a search right here with local news. We got 25 phones. So we're taking evidence of missing houses and phone and these blocks. Again, you guys aren't interested, my truck will be here tomorrow. Grab one of them now, okay? Alright.
You don't get... Oh, bye.
Under the veil of darkness, a mysterious figure emerges in a serene neighborhood, dressed as the eerie and infamous Momo character. Every sinister gesture sends chills down your spine as the moon casts an ominous glow. The figure is drawn to a house, seemingly fascinated by the allure of the Ring doorbell camera. With each perplexing gesture, the homeowner is left disturbed, wondering about the dark intentions behind this unsettling facade. Who is this enigmatic intruder? Are they playing a twisted prank, or could something far more sinister be at play? The mystery deepens, and an unsettling atmosphere lingers. In this intense clip, we witness a chilling encounter that serves as a stark reminder to always prioritize your safety. A man in a disturbed state approaches a homeowner's door late at night, wielding a knife. The homeowner, caught off guard, opens the door, unaware of the danger that awaits, a mistake he should have never made. The tension in this unsettling moment underscores the importance of staying vigilant and cautious in uncertain situations. Get ready to be astonished as we explore this gripping footage. Brace yourself for the unsettling moment when a dazed woman boldly targets items on a house porch that do not belong to her. This startling reminder highlights the need for perpetual caution even within the sanctuary of your own home. In the next clip, brace yourself for a heart-stopping moment when a mischievous troublemaker sets their sights on an innocent snowman, knocking it back to the ground. This cautionary tale serves as a stark reminder to never leave your snowman unattended, as miscreants can strike unexpectedly, sparing no one from their pranks. Stay vigilant and protect what's dear to you. In this bone-chilling clip, a woman discovers herself being followed by a creepy man all the way to her house. As the tension mounts, the man loiters outside, waiting for her to emerge. Concerned for her safety, the woman takes a wise step and contacts the authorities to handle this unnerving situation. Stay safe and vigilant, and trust your instincts to ensure your well-being. Get ready to lift your spirits with a lighthearted and comical Ring doorbell clip. Not all encounters captured by doorbell cameras are spine-chilling. Some can leave you laughing out loud. Get ready to be amused and enjoy the lighter side of doorbell camera footage. Prepare for a shocking glimpse into the dark underbelly of society as we unveil this alarming footage. In this clip, a group of individuals is seen loitering on a street, their gaze fixated intently on their unsuspecting victim. The target, a random construction worker going about their day, becomes the victim of a brazen daylight robbery. Witnessing such despicable behavior is truly distressing and serves as a stark reminder to remain vigilant in our surroundings and stay cautious for the safety of ourselves and others.